Hey guys, it's Esther here, and today we have a very exciting topic, and it is called the 35 versus the 85. Check it out. So, these are my babies. I love them. They are great for different purposes, so that's why I've made this video to go over when I should use the 35, when I should use the 85, what are the benefits of each of these, how are they different, all that good stuff. So today I am going to start with the 35. So here it is. Get a little bit more light on that. I use my 35. To be honest, I use this about 70% of the time when I'm shooting a wedding. So this gets a lot of use, so I've had it calibrated a few times because I use it all the time. So this is my Sigma Art 1.4 35mm, and the nice thing with this one, it is a prime lens, so you get a nice sharp crisp image on this, and this is awesome for a lot of things. Mainly what I use this for is I use it for portraits, I use it for group photos, so like at a wedding day, you'd be taking family formals, I would keep this bad boy on. I'd use it for a lot of portraits. I do like this one for the ceremony at times, but I have another, because I always have a harness on me with two cameras, so I use the 24-70 for ceremonies as well, but this guy, for a nice wide shot at a ceremony, just gorgeous, so I absolutely love this guy. And yeah, it's awesome because you can get that nice blurred background for portraits too. So I love that it's a 1.4 because it can just make the most gorgeous background. And yeah, this guy's just great because he's really versatile. I have to move a lot with this guy because since it's a prime lens, so you can get some really dreamy close-ups, you can get some nice wide shots. It's just a beautiful lens. Highly recommend this guy. Now we're going to compare him to my 85. So I went with the Canon 85 here because I went with this one for a couple reasons. So I went with this guy because I absolutely love my Sigma, but I had read so many good reviews on this Canon. This is an EF 85, and this is also a 1.4, so it's absolutely gorgeous. For that dreamy background again. But what I like for this one is it's perfect for being a little bit less intrusive because it's a prime lens. It's like really close up. You can be standing so far away and still get that nice close shot. I use this one a lot for portraits because I can be, let's say like I want to get something, I have something in mind for the couple to just be kind of like doing their thing, and then I'm gonna be far off, but I'm gonna get that nice connection between them. I use this guy, so it has like a nice image stabilizer, so you can be really far away and get like a really crisp shot. So what I mainly use it for is for portraits. So when me and the bride and groom go off and we're taking portraits, I will bust this one out because it's so gorgeous. I get some of my best portraits with this one. And I've just had this one for about a year now, and I absolutely love it. So I'm telling everyone, go get this one. I think I got this for, I want to say $2,500. So it is a little bit of an investment, but it's absolutely dreamy. I love using it for portraits. So yeah, that is what I have to say about the 85 versus the 35. And yeah, this 85 here, like it is really close up, but you're gonna get like such a dreamy photo. So you just have to remember once it's on to to not get like, you know, super close up because it's so close up. You'll know once you slap it onto your camera. But before you buy either of these, go to your local camera shop and try them out. I never recommend buying lenses online because it's too hard to know if it's your vibe, if it's your style. You know, it has to be on brand, and know that you're going to get good benefit out of these because these are lifelong investments for your business. So I always recommend go into your local camera store, try them out, talk with the consultants in the camera shop. I have learned so much info from the people in the camera shop. So That's why I'm saying go in there, try them on, because that was really helpful for me when deciding which ones to get. I have a bunch other lenses, but today's video we're just gonna go over these two. And yeah, I hope that you found this helpful, and don't forget to hit subscribe below for more tips and tricks for photographers.